Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Trader Joe's. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Trader Joe's haul and also me cleaning out my fridge. I haven't cleaned out my fridge, I'm gonna be honest with you, since like before Thanksgiving. So it needed it. So I actually filmed the Trader Joe's haul yesterday and then I just got done cleaning my fridge today, so I'm just gonna like smash the two clips together. So I'm gonna let the haul play and then I will like just jump right into the fridge cleaning. I just wanted to pop on here and give this video kind of like a proper intro. So I just deep cleaned my, well I wouldn't say deep clean, but I definitely gave my fridge a good cleaning and then I needed to like wash some fruit and cut up strawberries and then I will show you the final result. So that's what today's video is. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love Trader Joe's as much as I do because it's my favorite place in the whole world. But yeah, so I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day and I will see you in my next video. So this is everything that I got from Trader Joe's. I got chicken sausage, which are my absolute favorite like for lunch or for breakfast. Just like a really good easy way to get your protein in. Raspberries, because I have been on a huge raspberry kick, not sure what's up with that. And I bought some organic firm tofu, so I really want to like get better or just get into cooking tofu. I can't tell you why. I've really been craving some, I don't know, recipes with tofu in them. I have a couple good ones like pinned on my Pinterest, so I really want to like try my hand at cooking tofu. I got crescent rolls. These are totally like the same thing as Pillsbury crescent rolls. Get them at Trader Joe's, they're cheaper. And then I got this, coconut aminos. I've been watching a few YouTubers recommend this. This is pretty much like a better alternative to soy sauce. I've never tried it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I got granola bars. These are Ev's favorite, just good for a snack or to put in our lunchbox. I got spinach, good for eggs, omelets, that sort of thing. Milk, butter. I have an onion back here, so for lunch this week I think I'm going to do vegan meatballs and I need an onion for that. And here is my favorite probably like things at Trader Joe's like of all time. Their fried rice and also their gyoza. Oh my goodness, those are like my cheat meal. I think I'm going to have those tonight. Oh, they're so good. And these I really want to give a shout out to. So pretty much these are a less processed candy bar. Like at the end of the day, they're a candy bar. I believe it's 220 calories for the bar, but it is 20 grams of protein. And honestly, I keep these on hand if like my cravings just get out of control and I just really want something sweet or I'm just really craving like something and I don't want to like totally blow my diet. These are, I can't stress to you like how delicious these bars are. Like I really thought that they were going to taste weird, like given all the protein in them, but they're just phenomenal and I totally recommend them like if you have a sweet tooth. And like I wouldn't say you should eat these every day, but again, like when the cravings get bad and you just need something, oh my goodness, pick these up. These are so good. So I got the chocolate chip cookie dough. I've never tried this one before. This is new, so I'm going to give this one a shot. And then I'm going to try the maple glazed donut. It is eerily similar to a maple glazed donut, guys. Like they taste so good. Moving on, I have some grapes. Evelyn and I have really been enjoying grapes. I have bananas back here. Also kind of a little treat for myself, and Evelyn loves this too. Cinnamon roll bread. This is pretty much just, you know, like cinnamon raisin bread. So good. I have yogurt. Evelyn loves yogurt. She eats it usually like once a day, so this is a staple. And then I also got zucchini noodles. I really like zoodles. I have apples here. I have 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. We're a big sweet potato family. Strawberries, and I have eggs because we just needed eggs. And then I also bought a head of cauliflower. We've also really been into, well, I've really been into cauliflower and I have a lot of good recipes for it. So I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm undecided. I might do tofu tonight. I might do fried rice. I might do cauliflower. I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. So that's everything. Oh, and I have some bottled water back there, just because I like that bottled water. So that's everything I got at Trader Joe's. This was just, I believe the whole thing was $75, which to me, it seems expensive, but just like given the other markets in my area, like it's a really, really good deal for everything I got. So I'm more than happy. I love Trader Joe's prices so much.
left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel